definitely cruise time. We got more people over there. Woo! We are officially on the boat. You know, the only true way to celebrate finally getting on the boat is to go into the first bar you see. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Hello, welcome to my crib.
Home sweet home for the next 8 days.
Welcome aboard Carnival Sunrise, Joshua and Amanda. It's official. We are on vacation. Woo! Good morning.
Morning.
Today is our first full day in the ocean. Today is a fun day at sea. Do you know what we're gonna do today?
The possibilities are endless.
We'll show you a little bit right now. Good morning, everybody. Day 2. It's Joseph's birthday. Look, they decorated it. How beautiful. Another fun day at sea ahead. Gonna do a little bit of the same stuff we did yesterday. Sprinkle with a little bit more new activities. Let's go get some breakfast. Dinner. Today we're not eating at the regular dinner. This is Joey's birthday, so we're going to be a little bit fancy. We're going to the steakhouse. Oh yeah. Bruh. I know Amanda wants this so badly. Look at this big ass cheesecake.
I just want to point out these are both the
No, they're not. Right now we're chilling in the Liquid Lounge.
Here we go, ladies. On 3. You can have this. Okay, face the closest man. Satisfies those more than wedding anniversary gifts. Wow. And they all lived in a little house on the edge of the woods. Careful, careful, careful.
So we are actually doing the shows this time. The first cruise we didn't do any shows. Today we are going to see the Love and Marriage show. We actually might have some contestants over here.
Tab is very confident that she's going to win this.
I think they're even practicing a little.
Yeah, they're being coached.
We would participate, you know, but we would dominate. So
yeah, the thing is, we're too good. They banned us. But maybe next one. I do want to ship on a snake.
We'll find our right contest.
Lines or phrase
The parrot.
would it say over and over again? Carol, what would your parrot say?
I want you.
What would your parrot say, Jay? Deeper, deeper. Deeper. I got a feeling.
guys, good morning. It is another new day. Amanda wasn't feeling too well, so she's in the room just chilling and watching movies. So I'm just kind of exploring and taking some time, some me time. Right now I was just chilling by myself, reading a book, just very peaceful. I had breakfast by myself. Today we are supposed to hopefully dock in Puerto Rico, so that will be fun. And we don't really have anything on the agenda. We're just gonna explore Puerto Rico, probably eat somewhere over there, and yeah, so that should be fun. Look who's awake and feeling, I think, a little bit better. Ooh la la. Still waiting to get to Puerto Rico. We should be there pretty soon. Disembarked. We're officially in Puerto Rico.
Wepa!
Wepa. Say wepa.
Wepa.
12 people in this taxi. We're either gonna go somewhere or
We don't know where we're going.
we don't know where we're going, guys.
He was just like, get in. So this is, what, the governor's mansion?
Apparently, this is where that guy got kicked out. Right here.
We haven't done a lot of vlogging in Puerto Rico because we are here with family and they are Puerto Ricans, so we've got, you know, familiar things to do, but we did do a quick stop and it is actually really pretty here.
Also, look at this guy's finger.
He's giving a finger to the governor.
You can't tell me that's not a middle finger. Amosh Adventures reporting live from the action in Puerto Rico. You know, we go where the people want us to go. So I think there's people out here celebrating, I guess, the fact that this guy resigned. That's a wrap on Puerto Rico. We gotta go to St. Thomas now. Did you have fun in Puerto Rico?
Yes. Yeah, I wish we had more time, but it was good.
All right. This is another new day. Today we are in St. Thomas. Today we have a tour. We're gonna go kayaking. We're gonna go hiking. We're gonna go snorkeling.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Welcome to the Virgin Island EcoTours, guys. I'll be a lead guy today, Kevin. So basically, guys, we're gonna visit two sections today, Section A and Section B. In these two sections here, we will be encountering a lot of cool stuff.
It's kayak time.
Lord help us.
We survived our excursion.
Let me tell you something. If you never went kayaking, fuck that. Tough or no tough?
Oh no, that shit was hard.
And in Rome, apparently you have a gotta eat. Cheers. Definitely the cheapest beer I bought all trip. Pretty much wraps up St. Thomas. Next stop is Grand Turk. That will be tomorrow. Alright. Thank you. Come again. So we've passed by this place a bunch of times, but we haven't actually gone in. So now we're gonna try this bar, the Alchemy bar. Shout outs to Joe. Joe said that we have to get a mojito, so that's exactly what Amanda's gonna order.
We sat down, we had a couple drinks, by them. Laura was sound asleep.
The end verdict, Joe, is you were right. She liked it. She enjoyed it. She had a second drink and she said that the mojito was better. Alright, tonight's an all-white party. We out here up in deck 5 for the all-white party. Singing my life with words. Officially, we are in Grand Turk. We booked a excursion with the whole family. So that should be pretty fun.
Welcome to the Turks and Caicos Islands. This island here is called Grand Turk. It's the capital for all of them. So 40 islands and keys made of the Turks and Caicos.
This is gonna be my best friend for the next 4 hours. Yeah!
Everything blessed.
Yes, sir.
And give thanks to life, you know?
Of course, every day. So overall, it actually turned out to be really nice. I enjoyed myself. It was just all relaxation. Now we have 2 straight days at sea again, and then unfortunately the trip is over. Right now we're going to hit up the buffet or something. We'll figure it out. There's always somewhere to eat on this boat. Alright, so we've eaten some dinner, had some drinks at the bar, had an 80s photo shoot because today is 80s night. This is my 80s getup. Adidas track pants, bucket hat, chain. That's about it.
I don't think I'm 80s at all.
Our family ditched us. We said to meet at 9. Where are they? They're not So our family may have ditched us for the 80s party, but we still went to the party, had a pretty good time actually. Then we went to the casino to see if we found family, because that's usually where we find them. Didn't find anybody. And then I'm like, what do you want to do, Amanda? She's like, all right, let's play blackjack. So we go play blackjack. We started off $25 each, cashed out $370. Woo woo! Morning. Good morning. We're down to our final 2 days. We are starting our day. It is 10:30. Some drinks because we're still on vacation, and that's what you do. So in our quest to hopefully get a ship on a stick, we are here at Broadway Trivia because we love Broadway. We think we can maybe win this one. Stay tuned to see if we get a chip on a stick. Oh man, here we go. Will we win the ship on the stick?
You got 5 or more correct answers. 10 or more. 12.
I don't know. Damn.
13 going twice.
We may have not won trivia, But you know what? We're gonna celebrate with some brunch.
Burger of the trip.
I've had like, no lie, at least 6.
And don't think it's gonna stop here, people. I need to have the barbecue.
You need to get more. My second place? Amanda's second place.
It's not my fault. He gave me this portion.
Did you ask for more? Just like that, we are back in Manhattan. Time to go home. Bye, Ford. I hope you make the next family happy. That's a wrap on the cruise.